Welcome. Before I go into today's tutorial, let me announce to you that the new year is fast approaching, and Filmora is kicking off an exciting event to celebrate with creators around the globe. So participate and win bigger rewards. This event started on the 16th of December 2024 and ends on January 25th, 2025. So log in to join and ensure you read the rules. Welcome to the ultimate chance to spin the wheel and unlock amazing surprises. Here's how you can participate. During the event, each user gets one lottery chance per day. Want more chances? Invite your friends to register and get up to 5 additional lottery chances. Here are the incredible prizes waiting for you. Pocket Osmo, 7-day creative assets, 500 AI credits, 30% off yearly plan coupon for creative assets, and 20% off coupon for Filmora Perpetual. Create videos, capture precious moments, and show off your creativity. Here's how to join the video contest. Each participant can submit one video entry. Ensure your content is original. Plagiarism and reposts won't be accepted. Lastly, this part is all about sharing your wishes and moving forward with Filmora. While there are no prizes here, the memories you create are priceless. Have questions? Contact Filmora customer service anytime. So make this event unforgettable. Here is the video for today's tutorial. Let's begin by going to the stock media section. Under gradient color, go through the options and select your choice and drag down. Further, go to text title, then drag down default text and advance to edit. Now I paste 5 repeated burger words, then increase the font size to 100 and choose a show card font style as shown. Next, go to the right side and scroll down to shape. Then select the first curved text option. Increase the strength to 360 to create circular text and adjust it on the screen as shown. Now centralize it, then apply. Further, copy and paste above as shown. Now, I clicked on it and went to video to adjust the scale to 70. After that, I clicked text and changed its color as shown. Next, click the first text title, then go up to Apply Keyframe to Transform, then scroll down to Rotation. Next, move the playhead to the end, go up to Apply a Keyframe to Transform, and set the rotation to 180. To do the opposite, click the second text title, then go up to Apply Keyframe to Transform, and go to Rotate to type 180. Using the second keyframe as a guide, select the text, apply a keyframe, reset rotation to 0, and preview. Now drag down a burger picture. Click, then go up to scale it down to 95. After, click Animation. Under Present, choose Vortex and Animation. Now go to Effect. Under Video Effect, you will see Shake, so apply Mild Effect as shown. To adjust the effect, click, then go up to Click Effect, change frequency to 3, position Z to 20, and untick RGB, then preview. Now add a video track above, then go to text title to drag down a default text and advance to edit as shown. So I pasted my 5-word repeated text, changed its font style, changed its color, dragged down to the bottom part at the beginning, then increased the font size and applied shadow and applied as shown. Click, then go up to Apply Keyframe to Transform as shown. Now move the playhead to the end, apply Keyframe to Transform, then go to Position X and continue to drag right until you get to the last word as shown, then preview. For smooth animation, click the keyframe graph, select position X, then scroll down to click the graph and apply Easy Out Animation, and click the icon again to minimize then previews. So thanks for watching Complement of Season. The template for the tutorial is in the description. Please leave a like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.